If you are wondering if we have AI features on POCO X8 Pro Max, then the answer is yes. And if you want to find out more about them, then you can just simply open Settings, and then we can scroll down a little bit and go to Xiaomi Hyper AI. And here we can, for example, find the information about Gemini, which is of course the digital assistant provided by Google. There is also Circle to Search. So of course these two things, Gemini and Circle to Search, are available on pretty much every modern, every newest Android smartphone. Here is available. Here these tools are also available, but also we can go to AI App Boost in order to find Xiaomi's AI features. So over here we have, for example, AI writing. Here we have a little description of this feature. We have also an instruction how to use it. We can also find AI dynamic wallpapers. We have the creativity assistant and bunch of tools in here, and also how to use them. So as you can see, the list goes on, and I'm sure you can find something for yourself in each of these things. So be sure to check that out if you want to learn more about these AI tools and how to use them. I'm pretty sure these instructions are pretty clear. Leave a like and subscribe.